So now I'm going to mix up the cement, white cement, to cover this floor so the flooring company will put down the vinyl planks. I'm going to use a polymer bonding agent instead of water, and get a better bond with the existing cement on the floor. Let's get this guy in here. And I'll use my mixer. That'll work for my first batch. Alright, I'm going to spread that around. See what kind of coverage I got in there. All I need is enough to conceal the dark stains, so the coat can be very thin. Yeah, that'll work. So now I did 3 pours of cement in this room. One in the closet, one in each corner. And when you do this, you don't want to do cement pours that are not contiguous, because you don't want to disturb the fresh cement while it's setting up.